Good morning, everyone. My name is Siddharth Chima.
And my name is Gopesh Gupta.
So, as 2020 is hit by the COVID-19 pandemic, maintaining social distancing becomes extremely important. So, to practice this, today we have made a social distancing system with the location message sender that would ensure the practice of social distancing not only on the streets but also inside the shops. So, there are two parts to this project. First is the social distancing system for the streets, and the second is the count system for the shops. So, let me explain you what a social distancing system on the streets. So, as we all know that the streets are laid out with circles. So, our idea is that these circles would be equipped with pressure sensors or push buttons to reduce the cost at a large scale, and the gaps between each circle would be equipped with ultrasonic sensors. Now, what would happen is that if the people don't stand in these circles or they stand in a position where social distancing is not being practiced, then automatically the alert system would go on, and that person would be given 10 seconds to move to a position where the practice of social distancing will be maintained. If not, then within 10 seconds, the location of that street would be sent to the local authorities along with the name of the circle, the location of the street, and the alert. So now let me show you the working of this project. So as you can see, this is our model. This is the footpath where the people will stand. This is the shop, and these are the circles where the people are standing. Now supposingly if some person doesn't practice social distancing, for example, this person comes too close to the first person, automatically the buzzer goes on. Now if he goes back, the buzzer should go up. As you can see, the buzzer automatically got triggered. Now if this person moves back, automatically the buzzer goes off. Now this system has been calibrated in such a way that this would only work when the distance between two people is less than 3 meters. For example, even if they are not standing in the pressure sensors, but practice of social distancing is there, still the buzzer will not go on. If a person doesn't practice social distancing for more than 10 seconds, then as I told you before that the message will be sent. Let's just suppose that this person has come too close to the first person. So now 3, 4. So now within 10 seconds, the message should be sent to the local authorities along with the location and the name of the circle. 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 seconds exactly. So now the message should have been sent. Let's just see if it comes. Yeah, as you can see, the message just came. Tapped on it. And as you can see that the name of the circle where social distancing was not being practiced, that is circle 1. I've called this circle 1, 2 and 3, and the location. Now if I tap on this and I open location, let's see what happens. It's coming. And as you can see, if I click on directions, as you can see, right now we are at APJ School, Mahavir Marg, Jalandhar, and see, as you can see that the distance coming, it's very, very close as we are in the ATL lab. It's on the west side, and as you can see. Also to ensure the visibility of these circles at night time, we have equipped this system with an LDR module that would ensure the visibility of these circles at night time. So suppose I cover this LDR module, automatically the lights get on, and now the people would be easily be able to see the circles at night time. Now let me tell you the components used in this. So these are the pressure sensors 1, 2 and 3, and the gaps are equipped with ultrasonic sensors. Now let me show you the circuit. As you can see, this is the circuit diagram. This is the GPS module, Neo 6M. This is the GSM module, SIM 900A. These are the two Arduino Unos that we have used as the programming board. This is our relay module. This is our LDR. These are the diff switches. This is the buzzer, and this is the wiring. So this project is very useful as this can be implemented at various shops, malls, banks, marriage halls, etc. So at a time like 2020, this would ensure and be very beneficial for the practice of social distancing so that we can ultimately beat and win the goal of beating COVID-19 pandemic. So now I would request Gopesh Gupta to explain you the second part of this project, that is the count system, which would ensure the practice of social distancing inside the shop. Gopesh, back to you.
The practice of social distancing inside the shop is as important as on the street. This brings us to the second part of our project, the count system. Now, what this system does is that it ensures that only a certain number of people is allowed inside the shop. the value of which will be set by the shopkeeper. This value can vary depending upon the size of the shop, area, government permissions, etc. Now as you can see on the LCD display, that the first shopkeeper has to enter the number of people allowed via the keypad only once. As you can see, I am entering number 2, and then using these IR sensors we can determine the count. Now we are using 2 IR sensors for this with only door for entry and the exit. This can be changed. Now if the count exceeds the count limit set by the shopkeeper, then the buzzer automatically gets triggered. Now if the count exceeds the count limit set by an extremely large value, then a message would be sent to the nearest police station along with the location of the shop with the count value. Also, if the count remains exceeded for more than 30 seconds, that is, if the people are ignoring the buzzer, then the 2 message word would be initiated. Also, people allowed is limited, which means that the shopkeeper can only enter amount of less than 35. If the shopkeeper enters a value of greater than this, then the project will reset automatically. Another thing is that if the count goes in negative due to some technical problem, then the count will automatically be set to 0. The cost of this project may get reduced by a huge amount because of bulk orders of components, scale, and different SOCs made to serve our purpose only.
Thank you.